Hi guys, my name is Khaled with KINETIQ, and today I want to tell you a story about a food manufacturer we worked with recently who had already gone through an ERP upgrade to Dynamics 365, but hadn't yet connected their planning, forecasting, and budgeting to their ERP. Now, it was such a challenge because they'd made an investment in their ERP as well as their BI reporting and analytics suite, but when it came to planning, their teams had a completely disconnected set of workarounds with spreadsheets and a third-party EPM tool. Now, that gave them a huge challenge because they had to either face integrating different systems with their ERP and try to eliminate the workarounds that they were doing to plan for the future, as well as that needed to be done across sales, finance, and operations. Microsoft Business Performance Planning connects that gap between your planning and your reporting with your ERP. BPP is connected to D365, and it allows organizations to get more out of the ERP system they already have. So it allows folks to do things like driver-based planning, scenario modeling and forecasting, rolling and continuous forecasts, with workflows and governance and AI-assisted forecasting baked in. Now, how does BPP fit into Dynamics F&O? Well, it's connected to your ERP data, it's connected to your supply chain planning and the Microsoft Power Platform. So organizations are able to unlock faster time to value out of their ERP and better insights for more confident decision making because they no longer have to manage the integration of different systems for their forecasting purposes. Well, why does that matter, and what made a difference for this food manufacturer was planning became part of their operation rather than a separate exercise. And the data needed to give confident decision making was already at the fingertips of folks who are in the planning process. So if that reflects something that you'd want to see done in your organization or a change that you're trying to make, we'll actually be showcasing Microsoft BPP in our upcoming webinar, telling people how to unlock value, but also where they can get started on their transformation journey.